Today, we're talking about how students can work from home and make money on Fiverr. Whether you need extra cash for tuition, books, or just some pocket money, Fiverr is a great way to earn. Let's dive in. Fiverr is an online marketplace where freelancers offer services, or gigs, starting at $5. As a student, you can offer your skills and talents to make some extra money right from the comfort of your home. Let's take a quick tour of the Fiverr homepage. Here you can see various categories of services, top-rated sellers, and popular gigs. Step 1. Creating an account. It's super easy. Just go to fiverr.com and click on Join. You can sign up using your email, Facebook, or Google account. Step 2. Setting up your profile. A complete profile can make a huge difference. Upload a professional photo, write a catchy bio, and list your skills. Here's an example of a well-done profile. Notice the clear photo, the detailed description of services, and the skills listed. This makes it easier for clients to trust and hire you. Step 3. Creating your first gig. Click on Become a Seller and then Create a new gig. Choose a descriptive title, select the appropriate category, and add relevant search tags. The more specific you are, the better. Describe your gig in detail, set your pricing, and add extras if you have any. Make sure to add high-quality images or videos of your work. This can significantly increase your chances of getting hired. Now, let's talk about some popular gigs that students can offer on Fiverr. Graphic design. If you're good with design software like Photoshop or Illustrator, you can create logos, social media graphics, and more. Writing and translation. Offer services like blog writing, essay help, or translating documents. Tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, offer tutoring sessions. Video editing. With video content on the rise, video editing is in high demand. Social media management. Help businesses manage their social media accounts. Voiceover work. If you have a clear and expressive voice, try voiceover gigs. Here are some examples of popular gigs offered by students. Notice the clear descriptions and high-quality images. To succeed on Fiverr, here are some tips. Optimize your gig. Use keywords in your title and description to make your gig searchable. Promote your gig. Share your gig on social media and other platforms to attract more clients. Deliver quality work. Ensure you deliver what you promise and always strive for quality. Happy clients lead to good reviews. Communicate effectively. Respond to inquiries promptly and maintain clear communication with your clients. Manage your time. Balance your Fiverr work with your studies. Create a schedule that works for you. Fiverr is a fantastic platform for students to make money from home. By offering your skills and talents, you can earn extra cash and gain valuable experience. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to Fiverr success. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the Affiliate Guru Guide, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or tips of your own, leave them in the comments below. See you next time.